Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the waiting room in Zoom. The waiting room feature controls who enter your meeting, but if you want participants to join instantly, you can turn it off. It is a simple process and I'll guide you through it step by step. So, let's get started. First of all, open any web browser and go to the official site of Zoom at zoom.com. Sign into your Zoom account using your credentials. Once logged in, look at the left sidebar and click on Settings. This will take you to Zoom's global settings where you can manage different features for your meetings. Now, scroll down until you find the waiting room option under the security section. By default, this option is enabled to keep participants in the waiting area before joining. If you want them to enter immediately, simply toggle it off. This way, participants can join automatically without waiting for approval. And that's it. Now you know how to disable the waiting room in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.